Let's learn with Park Tulip. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The poem will help you to remember all the 8 planets. My very educated mother just served us noodle. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest of the planets. It has a diameter of 4,878 kilometers, about 11 times the size of our moon. It is the closest planet to the Sun and has no atmosphere, so it is alternatively baked and frozen as it spins slowly on its axis. It takes Mercury 88 of our Earth days to make one orbit of the Sun. Venus. Venus is the nearest planet to Earth and can be seen as the brightest star in the sky in the evening or in the early morning. It is about the same size as Earth, but it is very different. Venus travels around the Sun every 225 Earth days and spins in the opposite direction to the Earth. Its atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, is very dense. Its atmosphere is so thick. Earth is about 12,756 kilometers in diameter and measures 40,233 kilometers around the equator. Over 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by the oceans, which in some places are 10 kilometers deep. Earth is probably the only planet with enough unfrozen water to support animal life, and its dense atmosphere protects it from fast-moving meteors. Mars is known as the red planet because it has a reddish tinge when seen in the sky. It is 6,794 kilometers in diameter and circles the Sun at a distance of 213 million kilometers. Its day, the time it takes to spin once on its axis, is 40 minutes longer than ours, but its year, the time it takes to go around the Sun, is nearly twice as long as Earth's years. Astronomers once thought that the canals that can be seen through telescopes could be a sign of life on Mars, but space research has proved this not to be so. Jupiter, the largest planet, is next farthest from the Sun. Even one of its 4 moons is larger than Mercury. This giant planet weighs more than all the other planets put together. In spite of its size, it makes a full rotation about its axis in under 10 Earth hours. Its furious rate of spin makes the planet bulge at its equator, where its diameter measures 1,042,800 kilometers. A year on Jupiter lasts nearly 12 Earth years. Jupiter's atmosphere is poisonous. Saturn is known for the rings, which can be seen around it. The rings are very flat and very wide, about 65,000 kilometers, but are less than 60 kilometers thick. They are made of billions upon billions of small particles, some of the size of gravel. Like Jupiter, Saturn also spins very quickly, making a full rotation in just over 10 Earth hours. Its 2 branches at the equator, while its diameter is 120 kilometers. Also like Jupiter, it has a poisonous atmosphere. Uranus with a diameter of 52,400 kilometers. It's also a giant when compared to Earth. But because it is so far away, it needs a powerful telescope for it to be seen properly. It is nearly 3.2 billion kilometers from the Sun, and it takes 84 Earth years to complete its orbit. Its atmosphere is mainly poisonous methane gas. Neptune Neptune is still farther out from the Sun. This planet was discovered as late as 1846, when astronomers studied the orbit of Uranus, found that its orbit was not quite as it should be. They worked out that another planet must be pulling Uranus out of its way, and so found Neptune. Neptune is nearly 4.8 billion kilometers from the Sun and takes nearly 165 Earth years to make an orbit. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye.